Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will try to explain you how we can register or sign up for TransferWise account. Let's start. Just open your browser and write here Wise and open your first link. You know that TransferWise is an online banking application or online banking system that can use to transfer money from one country to another country. So it's a very popular online banking system. You can also order your credit card, debit card, and you can use in other countries. And you can also use your iPhone or Android application, Android phone, that you can download the Wise application and you can follow the same step and register for Wise account. Let's start. Click on register. Just write your email here and next. You can have, there are two types of account, personal account and business account. You can apply for both, but I need personal account, so I will click on personal account. I will select my country, then continue. Right now you have to write your phone number. Okay, this is my phone number and country code, and I will click on send verification code. Now I have to wait for a 6-digit verification code. Okay, now I have to write my 6-digit verification code. Submit. Okay, now you can write your password. You can choose your password. Okay, continue. Now you can see that you are registered with Wise. So we are successfully registered for TransferWise account. You can see that we already registered for TransferWise account. Now you can transfer money, order your Wise card. You can, as I told you, that you can order your TransferWise card, open new balance currency. So you can say I will decide later. Now this is our TransferWise account. There are different options that you can use. You can save your money, you can transfer your money, and you can order your credit card, debit card, and then you can use in different countries. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.